The Larson Electronics pole-top slip-fitter LED light fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. This explosion-proof light fixture provides 26,500 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 212 watts. This light features an adjustable swivel bracket constructed of 3/8" aluminum that allows 270 degrees of adjustment. This LED floodlight is ideal for any application that requires a Class 1 Division 1 pole-top light fixture. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.